Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yessie. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look on this look right here. So I decided to go with purples and mauves just because a lot of people do like pink and red for Valentine's Day, so I wanted to be different, I guess. So I decided to go with a purple mauve smoky eye vampy look, I guess you can call it. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I already have my foundation and powder set. We're going to start off with the eyes. So I'm going to go into my Tartelette palette and use the shade Natural Beauty as my transition shade and just buff that in the crease. Then I'm going to take the shade Best Friend in a smaller, denser brush and focus it lower in the outer corner, dragging it into my crease, then towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to take a ColourPop shadow in the shade Cute Alert, and with a more denser brush, just focus that in the outer corner, dragging it towards the inner corner. I just wanted to warm it up with like a burgundy shade. Then I'm going to go into the Studio Makeup On The Go Cool Down palette, and with that purple shade, focus that in the outer corner and just buff that in, dragging it towards the inner corner. Then we're going to take the first fluffy brush and just blend everything out. Then we're going to take that pinkish shimmery shade in the On The Go palette and put that in our lid. Then I'm going to take that lighter shimmery shade, spray it with some Fix Plus, and focus that more towards my inner corner of the lid. Then just buff everything out again. I then go back into that purple shade and deepen out the outer corner. Buff everything out one more time. Now I'm going to go into my inner corner. I'm going to use this white shimmery shade, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go into all of the colors that I put on my lid except for the ColourPop and the shimmery shadows, and just run that against my lower lash line. Moving on to the face, we are going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronze up the skin. For blush, I'm going to take this Ofra blush palette and go into that pinkier shade on the second row. I then go into the more purple shade on top just because I wanted a more purple tone to it, but it was a little bit too much, so I had to blend some of it out. For mascara, we're going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. For lips, I start off with the shade Amsterdam from Ofra Cosmetics. And I wanted like an ombre effect, so then I move on to the shade Dubai and I concentrate that in the middle. And I use a small lip brush to just blend everything out so it has that ombre effect, because I just felt like Amsterdam was a tad bit dark on its own, so I wanted to lighten it up. Now for highlight, I'm going to use the Ofra highlight in the shade Beverly Hills, and I'm going to concentrate my brush on the lighter colors and put that on the high points of my face. And then finish off the face with some MAC Fix Plus. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Cause I didn't sleep much last night. I'm flooded with thoughts, got aboard my flight. I'm never gonna let you go this time. I wanna be the one